Hi, this is Ken, and today I want to review this camping clothesline that we got for our kids. So we have two of these, one for each scout that we send away to camp. And they're just such a great idea. You know, obviously they're very compact, but they have these hooks on the end, which, you know, they feel pretty good. I mean, obviously you got to be careful when you're extending these bungees. But what I really like about these is they have these different pegs, which, you know, they're permanently attached. But you can adjust where you want the peg on the line by adjusting these toggles. These little push button toggles, so you just push the button in and you can slide them down the line, and then you can put your pegs exactly where you want them, depending on what you're hanging up. You know, if you're hanging up, you know, towels, you're going to want them spread further apart, or t-shirts or whatever. But yeah, they were great. They came in really handy for us with camping. Instead of getting a trunk of wet clothes back, we ended up getting, they actually took care of business and dried their clothes before packing them, their dirty clothes, and worked out great. So definitely recommended.